family business can be very tough. And the biggest problems with family business, after the research that I did, what I came up with was greed of power and greed of money. So what I did is I wanted to try to put together a structure where we would own this business and still be able to be successful as a family too. So what I did is I said, all right, we're going to own it a third, and a third. We're going to be equal owners in this business. And we will get paid what our pay should be for our business. We have an outside consultant decide what our base pay is. But all the profit that we'll take out of the business and the benefits of that will be split equally. That was my way of saying, all right, we're not going to have the greed of money side of it be part of our equation. There was going to be enough for us all around to all be successful, and I wasn't going to be greedy on that side. So then I came to the greed of power side, and I had a little bit tougher time figuring out a structure for that, and this is because I was going to be president of the company, but this is what I came up with. I talked to my brothers. They agreed that I should be president of the company. And our operating agreement says that I get to make all major decisions. So I'm in charge, and I get to make all major decisions for the company. The only caveat to that is they own 2/3, so they can fire me.